Purpose of this video is for you to be able to, as it says, implement the hypothesis general form in a conclusion. And essentially what that means is take the general form and write a paragraph from it. Now here's our lab report that we've been working on, or a lab report that we've been working on. It's general form. You've got these things that precede the conclusion. And this lesson is about this part, the second paragraph in your conclusion. All right? Now, I'm going to break this down by sentence and then just give you what the content of the sentences are. The first sentence basically is you're going to restate what you thought the answer to your question was, what you thought what the hypothesis was. The second sentence has to deal with what you thought, what your original reason was for your hypothesis. The third sentence states whether or not your hypothesis was supported or not. The 4 through 8, all they do is they use data to basically show how your hypothesis was supported or not. Now, you can do lots of things with data, as these all list out. You can state data, like reference certain trials. You can compare data. You can say this trial was more than that. You can explain data. You're going to explain data, like this is what this data set means in terms of my hypothesis. You're going to calculate a difference between some data points. This was that much more than that trial. You're going to count for data, and that means basically explain what the data means, and last thing it says here is explain the significance of the data, and then say, like, write sentences like this means this about this data set. That means the data that means that the data shows the hypothesis was proven or not, or supported or not, is what I should say. Now, in the last sentence, you're going to restate your answer to your question. And basically, you should be restating your hypothesis if it was supported. However, you might change what it is based upon what is now thought in terms of it. If you come up in the course of the experiment, you have one idea, but the experiment shows you another idea, then you can, at the end of this paragraph, you should basically restate, or not restate, but state what the new idea to the old question was.